In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a listing from friends on Facebook Marketplace. If you want a little more privacy when selling something on Facebook, this setting can be very helpful. It allows you to keep your marketplace listing from being shown to your Facebook friends, which is useful if you'd rather keep your buying and selling activity separate from your personal profile. Just keep in mind that this option may not appear for every listing or in every situation, so availability can vary. To get started, go to Facebook in your web browser and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the Marketplace section and click on it. This will take you to the area where you can browse, buy, and manage items you want to sell. From here, you have two possible paths. You can either create a brand new listing, or if you already have one you want to update, open it from the Your Listing section. If you're making a new listing, begin entering the item details as you normally would. If you're editing an existing one, open the listing and go into edit mode so you can adjust its settings. Now look for the option labeled Hide from Friends. If it's available, turn it on before publishing the listing or enable it while editing if the listing already exists. This is the key step in the process. When this setting is enabled, your listing will be less visible to people on your Facebook friends list, giving you a bit more control over who sees it. If you don't immediately see the option, take a moment to carefully scan the listing settings or privacy-related options on the page. Sometimes settings like this appear only for certain categories, listing types, or account setups. So if it's missing, that doesn't necessarily mean you're doing anything wrong. Once you've enabled Hide from Friends, save your changes or publish the listing, depending on whether you're editing an existing item or creating a new one. This final step makes sure your preference is applied. And that's all there is to it. Go to Facebook, open Marketplace, create or edit your listing, enable Hide from Friends if it's available, and then save or publish. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference if you want a little more separation between your personal social activity and your marketplace posts.